We're now going to add a navigation button. So this will allow us to go from one page to another page. So what we can do is we can go to buttons and then to blank. As we can see, we get a rectangle here. So we can make it a bit bigger. And then we can go and add text, usually to indicate where we're going, page 4. We can then fill it, let's say, with gray. Then we can make the text white, and we can also increase the size. We can reduce transparency, so it's a more intense gray. And now we can go to action, and we can specify we want this to be a page navigation, and we want this to go to page 1. So page 1 here. So when we click on it, holding Control in Power BI Desktop, we will be taken to page 1. Now, in order to get back to page 4, we can create another button here, or we can just do a back button. And this comes with its own visual, and all we need to do is go to Action. And in here, we can also specify page navigation, page 4. So that when we click on it, we come back to page 4. And that's how you can navigate.